Ever wondered why Mother Nature sometimes decides to unleash her fury in the form of extreme weather events? From the swirling, terrifying vortex of a tornado to the monstrous force of a hurricane or the unyielding onslaught of a blizzard, these climatic tantrums can leave us in awe and sometimes in ruin. These aren't just random outbursts of Mother Nature, but rather, they are classified as extreme weather events, each one unique, each one carrying its own set of characteristics and destructive power. Tornadoes, those spinning columns of air connecting the surface of the earth to a thunderstorm cloud, can rip apart anything in their path. Hurricanes or tropical cyclones are gargantuan storms that form over warm ocean waters, bringing with them torrential rains and fierce winds. And then we have blizzards, severe snowstorms that last for an extended period, blanketing everything in their wake with a thick layer of snow. To truly understand these phenomena, we need to delve into the science behind them. Imagine a spinning vortex of wind capable of causing massive destruction. That's a tornado for you. Formed when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, tornadoes spiral into a ferocious funnel of wind that can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Their power is breathtaking and their impact devastating. Moving on to hurricanes, these massive storm systems begin as mere disturbances in the warm ocean waters. As the warm air rises, it creates an area of low pressure beneath, drawing in surrounding air and building up into a swirling storm of wind and rain. Their destructive power is often felt miles away from their center. Lastly, we turn our attention to blizzards. These are snowstorms gone rogue, with wind speeds that exceed 35 miles per hour, reducing visibility to less than a quarter mile. They can bring cities to a standstill, impacting everything from transportation to ecosystems. These extreme weather events, though destructive, are fascinating aspects of our planet's weather system. So, what have we learned so far about these extraordinary weather events? In a whirlwind of knowledge, we've discovered the science that gives birth to tornadoes, hurricanes, and blizzards. We've seen that tornadoes spin from the clash of warm, moist air and cool, dry air, creating a violent and destructive vortex. Hurricanes, on the other hand, are born over warm ocean waters, amassing energy as they move, while blizzards are the offspring of cold air, warm air, and moisture, joining forces to dump massive amounts of snow. But beyond the science, we've also seen the impact these extreme weather events have on our environment. They can reshape landscapes, disrupt ecosystems, and even alter the course of species evolution. But they also serve a purpose, playing a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate and distributing heat around the globe. Understanding these extreme weather events not only fascinates us, but also helps us prepare better. After all, knowledge is the best defense against nature's fury.